Here we are back at the station, and you can hear it coming. I wish you could get a better camera angle, but here it comes. There's the steam. Cool. Look at that. Beautiful engine.